Welcome! Today we are introducing BATTWIN, our battery digital twin that makes energy storage smarter, cheaper and easier to maintain. BATTWIN goes beyond traditional battery management systems, improving its estimation on battery state, providing a better knowledge on the following parameters: how much energy is available, SOC, how fast we can use it, SOP, and the health of the battery, SOH. This means lower operating costs and a simplified maintenance. Connected to the Energy Management System, or PPC, BATTWIN defines the best charging and discharging profile. It works both in the cloud and at the edge, adapting to real-time needs. At our stand, you will see the lithium-ion cells used to fine-tune BATTWIN and a live demo on its performance on a real system. BATTWIN's energy storage becomes safer, more efficient and sustainable.